That's not really alongside me. I said you're not alongside me. I want you to hold my hand. Oh my god. Howdy do, fella kids. It is the professional Dillweed here. And welcome back to another video. And today, we're seeing just how much faster this here monkey is than, you know, the old stock 125. So what he has done to his is he has an intake, cam, and exhaust. Well, I don't even know where to start to tell you what all I have done to this, but it's definitely not the stock 125. So we're going to do a few tests and see just exactly how much faster it is. Are you full pin? Hey, I think this fell off your bike. I got him. Yeah, I would do an in from the dig race, but if I just full rip it from a stop, then I'll rip up my brand new license plate. The front wheel will come off the ground if I just rip it straight from the start. Alright, so after this red light, we're gonna go up to about, I don't know what, 30, and then we'll do a full rip. Alright, once we crest this hill, I'll give us a countdown. And I'm even giving you a downhill as well. I'll give you the dig, or the jump. Ready? Does that give me a point, or no? Okay. Alright, now an uphill. Oh, that was our turn right there. Yeah, turn in right here. I'm trying to not do that. Low-key was hoping that you would loop. Hey, I think that cop liked that. That was your turn right there, you buffoon. Like I even said, ugh. And then you're just like, let me go right on past it. Oh dang, it's one of the new Land Rover Defenders. Old Daddy Doug did a video on one of those. Alright. So if you guys are, well, at all interested in getting a 181 kit for your Grom or Monkey, and if you guys are in the Atlanta or even in the Alabama area, then it wouldn't be too terribly far for you to come check out my boy Wayne at the Speed Shop, and he will hook you up with a 181 kit installed for $450. But also keep in mind that only includes the piston and the cylinder. And anything else, that's on you. And what I mean by that is, what is highly recommended for the 181 kit is an aftermarket intake. Like Shimera intake was fine, and you don't need it, but an aftermarket exhaust, it would be a good idea. And if you want peak performance, it's also recommended that you get an aftermarket cam, because without the aftermarket cam, well, it kind of falls on its face after about 6,000 RPMs. Oh, and it doesn't stop there. It is also highly recommended that you get an oil cooler, because I say firsthand, I was like, oh, I don't need an oil cooler, and that's how I am currently on my 4th piston. Oh, you thought the list was over? No. It's also ideal for you to get some larger fuel injectors. Also, you're gonna want a better tune. It also wouldn't be a bad idea to get an auto tune, so whenever it starts to run lean, it fixes itself and doesn't absolutely, well, take a crap on itself like it has to me a few times. So with all that being said, I can definitely see how Wayne ended up spending over $22,000 in parts for his Honda Monkey. But his is pushing over 40 horsepower, and well, mine isn't. So I'm not quite at the $20,000 range. I'm probably closer to the 3,500. Sure, those girls in that Jeep might be having fun, but hello there, police officer. But I can guarantee you I'm having more fun. So my last piston lasted me 420 miles. And this one's currently at 331 miles. And it's still going alright. I probably shouldn't have said that. But even at $450 installed, that certainly isn't a bad price. Granted, you're probably going to spend another $1,000 or so in other parts that might potentially be necessary. But even with all these upgrades, it still does not increase your top speed. Because let's think about it. If you're still running the stock gearing, your top speed is still going to be the same. I could put a Hayabusa engine on this, and you're still going to be tapped out about 74 miles an hour, because, well, that's how things work. But a quick sprocket change will help you out a good bit. So with all that said and done, is it worth it? I mean, you know, my opinion is just a thing. Everybody has their own opinions, but my opinion, absolutely. Alright, so I didn't want to run this video on for too long, because let's be honest, you clicked on this video to see that blue Grom absolutely get smoked. Alright, so with all of that being said, that is where I'm going to start wrapping up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure you show some support by dropping a like. If you're new around here, consider hitting that subscribe button. And most importantly, be sure you hit that booty. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.